I would like to introduce our product, which is pumpkin seed fettuccine. Next, our product description. The product name is pumpkin seed fettuccine. A pumpkin seed from pumpkin is the main ingredient to be made into fettuccine. Pumpkin seed fettuccine has a pale green color, elastic texture with a salty and nutty flavor. Pumpkin seed fettuccine also contains a higher protein and dietary fiber content. The target group of our product is focused on the layer between the children and adults because fettuccine is one of the favorite wheat-based food by Malaysians.
For the problem statement, there are several studies show that certain grams of the raw ingredient, pseudocerium, legum seed, and mushroom powder are frequently used as the additive to increase the sensory attractiveness and nutritional value of wheat pasta. Besides that, the study also showed that the huge population group, especially children and adolescents, are eating less than the recommended amounts of fruits and vegetables. Not only that, 10% of children were suffering from the constipations based on the study of year 2020. Our product development objective is to conduct development study of maximum utilizations of pumpkin seed, which is Cucurbita maxima, as a part of ingredients in fettuccine recipe. The second objective is to determine the best formulations based on the consumer acceptabilities through the sensory evaluation test.
My name is Nurbati Saifah binti Awangte. I will explain about methodology. Based on this methodology, this product development was applied 3 different ratios between pumpkin seed flour and semolina flour, which is 3:7, 4:6, and 5:5. All the formulation was developed and tested. First, raw material is preparing all material, which is semolina flour, pumpkin seed, egg, water, and salt. Second is grinding the pumpkin seed and coarse semolina until the texture becomes flour. Third is drying the pumpkin seed powder at 70 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Sieving the dried pumpkin seed powder into flour form with sizing 212 micrometer. Mixing all the raw material in one bowl, then kneading the fettuccine dough for about 5 minutes. Dicing the fettuccine sheet into 5 mm multiply 200 mm with sizing 4 using pasta maker. Boiling the fettuccine in the boiled water for 5 minutes. Drying the fettuccine in the oven at 70 degrees Celsius for 4 hours. Packing 300 grams of fettuccine in the plastic bag and seal them. Then pack them again with paper box. Producing this product, the technology application we use is grinding using grinder machine, dicing using pasta maker, and drying using oven drying.
Based on our sensory evaluation test, the best formulation is formulation 1, which is 3:7 between pumpkin seed flour and semolina flour. The data from sensory evaluation analysis indicates the formulation 1 is the best formulation among 3 of them. The attribute of pumpkin seed fettuccine, such as color, shape, taste, and cohesiveness, does not have significant difference between 3 formulations. However, only the characteristic of elasticity of fettuccine has a significant difference between formulation 1 and formulation 3. Also that the formulation 1 is show the highest mean from the other formulation based on the bar graph.
I will explain about novelty or innovation and impact. This food product development purpose the suitability of replacing some portion of semolina flour with pumpkin seed flour as a main ingredient in fettuccine recipe. The pumpkin seed fettuccine also contain more protein and fiber content compared to the pure semolina based fettuccine on the market. The nutty taste of pumpkin seed fettuccine was the primary novelty derived from the processing of pumpkin seed into the flour form.
I will explain the commercial value of pumpkin seed fettuccine now. Firstly, our pumpkin seed fettuccine will be a brand new product on the market. Our pumpkin seed fettuccine is a seed and nut-based fettuccine compared to the common vegetable-based pasta on the market. There is rarely found a pumpkin seed based fettuccine on the market, and it is newly introduced on the market. Not only that, our pumpkin seed fettuccine will become an attractive food item for pasta lover. Consumer may pay attention to the color and appearance of our fettuccine. Besides, our fettuccine will definitely meet the consumer demand for organic healthy food because pumpkin seed contain a lot of nutrients, especially high in protein and fiber content. Lastly, we also offer a durable price for pumpkin seed fettuccine, which is around 50 ringgit per box. We aim for our customer to consume a high nutrient and high quality pumpkin seed fettuccine.
Together